Have you ever been snaked by a friend and just for the clout they'll do it again? Got the timeline popping again. I swear on my mum's I'm due to go pen.
What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Promise, aka Promisetingz, and I am back with another YouTube video. And as you can tell by the title, in this video I'm doing another freaking Shein haul, and I am so excited because I feel like I got some cute stuff this time, and yeah, that's really why I'm just excited. And plus, I haven't posted in like 2 weeks on YouTube, and I'm kind of like slacking, but only reason I was slacking because I knew I was coming back with this freaking haul, this freaking banger video, as those cringy YouTubers say. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna stop rambling and just get into it. The first thing that I'm gonna start with are the accessories. So first accessory I got is this necklace. This is the necklace itself. Focus, camera. Look. And it comes with a little angel. I have to center it. Like, you can take it off. Like, I can see you can take it off if you want. I'm probably gonna take it off, but it comes with a little angel. And I put it on. This will be cute. Look. And it's how it'll look. Giving me very much kind of sort of Y2K, and I like it. For y'all that don't know what Y2K means, it's just year 2000, because I'm a 2000s baby, period. If you're not a 2000s baby, like, next item comes in this bag, and I never ordered any accessories from Shein. I don't know. And okay, this, like, for one of my things just fell. Okay, so if you hear me, I used sometimes call Shein, or Shein. I call it either or. Like, I don't know. It just whatever I say, but I'm gonna say Shein, whatever. So the next item I got was this bag. Period. Like, oh my god. And that's on what? That's on her. And it is freaking giving me very much, you know, let's go shopping. Very much come with me. I don't know, very much just, again, very much Y2K, okay? This is so cute. So when I shopped at Shein, I actually got 2 bags. It's just really plain. It comes in this bag. This bag doesn't really say Shein, but it says Shein right here. But yeah, this is plain black. I got plain colors because I wanted to be able to match these with every outfit. And sis, like, well, if it's not hiding it, okay, but it's giving me Y2K, and I'm here for it. Okay? And honey, we are Y2K queens over here. Period. I was gonna probably do something with this. Like, I don't know. Like, I wanted to bedazzle this because I got me a bedazzler, honey, and I wanted something to bedazzle. And I got it. And the inside, it's empty, you know. And it's cute, and the detailing on this. Okay, so now we're gonna get to the clothing items, and this is the first freaking item. And if you have not seen a Shein haul ever, and it's your first Shein haul you're ever watching, this is what the Shein bag, whatever you wanna call it, bags look like. And they just say the thing, the brand name on each side of the bag, and it has a warning label and all of that, and tells you where to get this stuff from, where I got this from, basically. And yeah, and this shirt is so freaking cute, honey. When I told you I was so hyped putting this stuff in my freaking cart, I was hyped. Okay, I was literally like, oh, I'm gonna be like Barbie from the block, like untouchable, period. Okay, but this shirt is so cute. Oh, this material. Okay, it says cosmic. These rhinestones better not freaking come off in the wash because I will be heartbroken. Okay, the next item is from Romwe or Romwe, whatever you want to call it. I ordered, this is the only thing I've ordered from Romwe. Actually, not gonna lie, I actually ordered this when my sister ordered her stuff. So cute and so simple. Like, look at this on me. Hun, I'm a highlighter. It is actually like a really lime green. It's not as highlighter as you think, and it's really cute. I got a few rhinestone outfits with rhinestones on it, and it's serving for me. It really is. And it's really good cotton material. It's not cheaply made. It might be a little see-through depending on what type of bra or something you wear under it. So wear like probably like a dark solid color. Like, it shouldn't be a problem with like a white bra or nothing like that. But don't wear no highlighter freaking pink bra under it, cause I'm pretty sure it's gonna be see-through. Okay, next item that I got from Shein was this top. Bow. This is freaking cute. I don't know how this is gonna fit on me because I have big boobs, hun. I have boobs. Wait, this part is it's big, I guess, for, you know, but it's like, I don't know, like this is a little scandalous. It's cute, good material, very comfortable, like you can sleep in if you wanted to. Like, it's really comfortable. Straps are not adjustable, but it's like elastic, you know. Again, this is in a size medium. The next item I got from Shein. When I tell you it's gorgeous, I mean that. Like, I'm not lying to y'all when I tell you. Oh, what's this paper that fell out? It says freaking babe girl. So this next item, it's really cute. It's really cute. I thought it was cute, me personally. It was good material. It's the same type of material that the Cosmic shirt that I showed y'all was. It's kind of like that same material, really stretchy. And it says baddie. Gives me the vibes. Like, if something gives you the vibes, get it. Okay, my final shirt and item in this whole haul is the shirt that I've been selling out, and it kept selling out, coming back in stock, selling out, coming back in stock. And like, everybody wears a freaking size medium. Like, no one wanted to wear a size medium, I feel, until I wore a size medium, and now it's like everybody wears a size medium, and there's never a size medium. Like, come on. Like, this shirt was literally selling out. Oh my god, this looks cute. This looks so cute. And I love me some cheetah print. Feeling like a cheetah girl, and that's on period. Okay, I love me some cheetah print or leopard print. Whatever type of print this is. I don't know if it's cheetah or leopard. I don't know the difference between those prints. Somebody tell me what the difference is so I can know. Wait, do these buttons unbutton? Yes, they do. Okay, so if you want to unbutton these, you can, and you can do that like look where it's like one button at the top and then like the rest like unbutton. You know what I mean? You can do that look, but like it's a little risky, a little scandalous, but do you, like, you know what I mean? Like, I'm here to support the girlies, and that's just on period. So do you. But yeah. Thank you for watching this video. That is the end of this Shein haul. If y'all want more hauls, you know, you can DM me on Instagram. My Instagram will be down in the description box. So will my other social medias. And also other videos of mine that you will like will also be down in the description box. So don't be scared to go in there, in the description box, that is. And yeah, peace.